Hello everyone, my name is Origami Pete, and today I'm going to show you how to fold this clover flower. You are going to need a square of paper, and you are going to start with the white side up. My paper is green on the other side, and because I want the clover to be green, I'm starting with the green side facing the surface of the table. Okay, you're going to start by folding the paper in half, like so. And fold in half again. And now we have marked the center of the square, and now we are going to fold the edges towards that mark, like so, and just make a mark in the middle like this, and unfold and rotate the paper and do the same thing again. Fold the edge towards the center mark and make a mark right here. Rotate again and repeat. Fold the edge towards the center line and make a mark in the middle like this. And one last time. Like so. And now we are going to fold the edges of the square towards those marks we have just made. So just fold the edge towards that mark and make a sharp fold, like so. Rotate and do the same thing. Like so, and rotate, and again fold towards that mark we just made and make a sharp crease, and rotate, and one last time. Like so. And now we're going to flip the paper bottom side up, and we're going to fold the corners of the square towards the center. So the first corner, just line it up as best as you can, and now take the opposite corner and try lining it up with the first corner so they lie corner to corner, like so. And now take the remaining two corners and just fill in the gaps. And the last corner. And this way you get a much cleaner result than if you were following one way or the other around the square. Okay, we're going to flip the paper over, bottom side up again, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the corners and fold them towards the middle. And again, we are going to take the opposite corner first and line it up with the first corner so they lie corner to corner, like this, and then take the remaining two corners. like so. So we get something like this. Now we flip the paper over and we are going to find the corners of the original square, which are right here. And you're going to pull out the paper to the side and make it lie flat like this. And we're going to do the same thing on the other three corners. So just lift the paper, find the corner of the original square, grab it and pull the paper towards the side and press it flat like this. And one more time. And one last time. Pull out the paper to the side and press it flat. And now the last step, take the corners and fold them towards the center one more time. So the first one, and again we're going to take the opposite corner first and line it up with the first corner like this, and now you're going to take the remaining two corners. And the last one to just fill in the gap, like so. And now when I flip the paper over, you're going to see the finished result. And there it is, the finished origami clover flower. I hope you liked the video and I will see you next time.